Hey everyone, Angel here with Lauren Homes. So walking up to a new construction site here. This is our Adrianne floor plan, one of our specs that we're currently building. You can see some framework here. Still a very active construction site, as you can see. Let's walk in. So this is where the laundry area would be. Walking right into your kitchen. This is where your island's going to be. Cabinets. Your nook area over here. You got your master primary bedroom here. Going into the master primary bathroom. Got your closets on the left and right. Kind of get an idea where the shower is going to be straight ahead. Tub there, washroom there, and a double sink vanity there. Leading to the outside of the master primary. You can see the pool area. Still a lot of work that needs to be done. This is one of our specs, so this one will be one that we'll be able to showcase and also put on the market. Nice frosted front doors. Here's the guest bathroom. One of the rooms over here. The second room over here. And then we have the ensuite bedroom and bathroom that lead out to the pool. There we go. Really nice sink there, the shower here, leading out to the pool. So just want to give everyone an understanding as far as what it looks like with the frame. I know sometimes it's a little hard to imagine, but you know, the more we do of these, the more you'll understand the construction process and what we do here at Lauren Homes. So I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.